Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to merge PDF files into one. First, you will need to go to your preferred browser and in the Google search bar type combine PDF. Press enter. Here you will see a lot of websites which you can use to combine PDF. But I personally use this website combinepdf.com. I go with this website. Here you will see this type of interface. And here in the down you will see the option of upload files. Simply click on upload files. Then click on show all files. Then select the PDF files which you can combine. Like I choose the PDF files and click on open. Here you will see the PDF files is appear on the screen. Simply click on combine here and the PDF files will be combined. Here you will see the combined PDF is downloaded on my PC. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.